had you cut me at hog, dude. Stop. Stop playing, bro.
What the?
That was really close to your face.
A little too close.
Hi. Wait, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow Tuesday?
Tomorrow's skateboarding day.
It's tomorrow Tuesday? What the hell? What's tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow's Tuesday.
No, it's tomorrow Wednesday is what I meant.
Stop it.
I tricked you.
Stop it right.
Stop, I need you to get in front of the camera right there.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hey. Hi. Hey Cameron, catch, ready? Over the shoulder.
Take your arm over the shoulder.
I was gonna lock it down. So then I could throw it without it going like that and like accidentally stab
Wait,
you.
is that like switchblade or something? Or is it just like weak shit?
It's loose. That's why I can swing it open like that.
Don't play.
With the locker.
My friend has a Wi-Fi and I haven't. That's pretty.
Brady has a